Baby, our topic is about your favorite TV show. Okay?
Yes.
What is your favorite TV show?
I think Labu
What is Labu?
is the rabbit and the sisiu.
Okay. Does it talk English or not or Tagalog?
Not Dodi. It's this
Okay. What else do you like?
I think alphabet law. It says A B.
Alphabet lore. And then what?
Yes, I know.
What do you learn when you watch alphabet lore?
I can learn A B C D A B C D.
Okay. How about Peppa Pig?
I can translate funny.
Peppa Pig?
Yes.
You learn a lot from Peppa Pig?
Yes, it's British.
British? Okay. How do you say powder in British?
Powder.
Powder. Okay, very good. How about water in British? How do you say water in British?
Water.
Water. Very good. What else do you like? What other show do you like?
I think I have Talking Tom.
Talking Tom, I don't like that. It doesn't talk.
How about I alphabet lore?
Alphabet lore. Yes, I like alphabet lore. And number?
Blocks.
Yes. And what do you learn when you watch your number blocks?
I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number blocks. Nini knows. Nini knows. Nanonood to Nini knows.
Nini knows.
Yes.
And then you learn a lot in number blocks. What can you learn in number blocks?
It's 1,
Counting.
2, 3.
Which one is bigger?
1.
Which one is bigger? A million or a billion?
I think a billion.
A billion. 100 or 1,000?
I think a 1,000.
1,000 or a billion?
I think a billion.
Oh wow! Who taught you that?
I think number blocks.
Your number blocks?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I know.
And what else? What are the shows that you don't like?
I think Tom and Jerry.
Why? Why don't you like Tom and Jerry?
Kasi sawa na to dun.
So ano? And what else? Why?
Hindi na di salita.
And then it has
It has
violence.
violence. What's violence?
Violence? You know what violence is?
What's violence?
What is it in English? Nagapang-away. It's bad.